Okay, 6-8 is a little spiraling for literal equations, right? So solve each equation for the indicated variable. That just means get the indicated variable all alone on one side. So for a, right, to get x all alone on one side, right, y equals 3x plus 2, we subtract 2 from both sides, y minus 2 equals 3x, and then we divide both sides by 3, and we get y minus 2 over 3 equals x. And we write it as x equals y minus 2 over 3. Right? Okay, for b, right, b, they want us to solve for b, right? So I have a equals b over c. I can multiply both sides by c, and I get ac equals b, right? Because these cancel. And I rewrite it as b equals ac. Okay, alphabetical order, right? Okay, for c, they want us to solve for x, right? So I have x over 2 minus 7 equals y over 3. And they want us to get x all alone. So I can add 7, right? So x over 2 equals y over 3 plus 7. And then I can multiply both sides by 2, right? Multiply both sides by 2. So I get x, because these cancel, equals 2y over 3, or 2/3 y, either way, 2y over 3 or 2/3 y, plus 14. 7 times 2 is 14. Right? Okay. And again, if you want to leave this term, right, if you want to leave this term as 2y over 3, that's fine. Right? It's just, they're equivalent. Okay, and D, let's make some room. D. So for D, we have G equals 1/2 AT squared. And this is interesting. They want us to solve it for T squared. Okay, so I can multiply both sides by 2 and get 2G equals 2 times 1/2 is 1, right? Equals AT squared. And then divide both sides by A and get 2g over a equals t squared. And we would write it as t squared equals 2g over a. Right? Interesting, they're asking us to solve for t squared. And if they wanted us to solve for t, then we would carry it one step further, and we would get t equals plus or minus the square root of 2g over a.